Hey everyone, welcome back to Apple Insider. Today, we're stepping out of the Apple ecosystem to check out one of the most anticipated devices of 2025, the Huawei Mate 70. Now, we're all used to seeing Apple's latest tech in the new iPhone every year, but Huawei has been making some bold moves in the smartphone industry, and this latest flagship is no exception. Let's dive into everything you need to know about the Huawei Mate 70. First off, let's talk about the design. The Mate 70 continues Huawei's tradition of sleek, premium builds with its futuristic aesthetics. The rear is made from a combination of high-grade ceramic and glass, giving it a premium feel while being incredibly resistant to scratches and fingerprints. The camera bump, though large, is more refined than its predecessor and houses a quad-camera array with an impressive 200-megapixel sensor that promises to deliver top-tier photography and video quality. When it comes to the display, Huawei hasn't skimped out. You're looking at a massive 7.2-inch AMOLED display, with a 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 3200x1440. The colors pop, the contrast is deep, and the blacks are some of the best I've seen on a phone. Whether you're gaming, watching content, or just scrolling through social media, this display will deliver an immersive experience. Under the hood, the Mate 70 is powered by Huawei's own Kirin 1000 chipset, built on a 5nm process which is paired with a staggering 16GB of RAM. Performance-wise, this phone is no slouch, handling multitasking, gaming, and everyday tasks with ease. Huawei's optimization of Harmony OS ensures smooth operation, even when pushing the phone to its limits. Battery life has always been a key consideration for Huawei, and with the Mate 70, you're getting a massive 5500 mAh battery. In everyday use, you can expect a full day, if not more, of usage. Plus, it comes with 66W fast charging, so you can go from 0 to 80% in just about 30 minutes. One of the most exciting features here is Huawei's camera system. The 200-megapixels main sensor paired with a 50-megapixels ultra-wide and 50-megapixels telephoto lens gives you the flexibility to capture anything from ultra-wide landscapes to stunning zoomed-in details. The AI-driven image processing has also seen a massive upgrade, so expect beautiful, natural-looking photos even in low light. Now, the elephant in the room is, of course, the lack of Google services. Huawei continues to rely on its own Huawei Mobile Services (HMS) and the App Gallery, which means no Google Play Store, but Huawei's ecosystem has been improving over time. If you're heavily integrated into the Google ecosystem, that's something to consider, but the app selection is growing steadily. Lastly, let's talk about the price. At launch, the Huawei Mate 70 comes in at a premium, sitting somewhere around $1,200 for the base model. But when you factor in the hardware and innovation packed into this device, it's clear that Huawei is competing at the highest level. So, is the Huawei Mate 70 a game changer in 2025? Honestly, yes. It offers an incredible camera, top-tier performance, and a design that stands out. It's definitely one of the most powerful and polished phones to hit the market this year, and while it may not be for everyone, especially those who rely on Google services, it's clear that Huawei is making strides in the smartphone space. That's it for today's review of the Huawei Mate 70. What do you think? Will you be considering this as your next device, or are you sticking with Apple? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more in-depth tech reviews and updates. Until next time, this is Apple Insider, signing off.